Gary, I need to create content. How do I create content? You document the shit that you do every single day. Document. So you're not creating, you're curating. Why are you curating? Because the content's already there, because you're documenting what you do every day. Right? It might seem boring, but hey, today we're gonna get some YouTube videos now. We're gonna respond to some text messages. And I'm going to get on some roofs later. Check it out. Follow me. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. That's a post. Every post doesn't have to like knock the shit off the cover and create some huge engagement to make people buy from you. In fact, that shit ain't going to happen. Here's what's going to happen to you. You're going to post Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. 5 times, that's 20 posts. You're going to look at that shit and you're going to go, Gary's a moron because nobody fucking liked or commented on my shit. And so what you're doing is keeping score against yourself. Instead of knowing that the more work you put in, the results will come.